tricycle. This is tricycle? Oh. Going to birthday. We're going to Luklok, Makarang. For the birthday? Luzon?
Luzon ka, di ba? Luzon.
Oh, we're going to Luzon. This is our area. Oh. We're going to Luzon. That's what they say. Ah, Luzon. Here. We're riding a tricycle. So, Luzon ang kasal, Luzon ang birthday. Oh my God. I'm riding. Look at my position. Oh, the way I is sitting down here. Oh, look at that girl. Oh, look at her. Look at Kapitan and Kapitana. Oh. We're riding a tricycle. There. Oh. Oh, dito, look at. Oh my God, I'm chubby. Oh, there's a lot of mangoes. We're going to Luzon. There's a lot of taba.
Ayaw nyo sila sa natin kung saan din ayaw doon. Doon tayo kasal nyo na
It's
yung
a
ano?
farm. That's a farm.
Oh, yung kasal yan ano? Yung kasal mo punan natin.
That one, no.
Parang dyan eh.
Hindi, sa looban yun. Sa may baling tractor. Loklok National High School.
Nasa Luzon na ba tayo?
Yeah.
Birthday.
Oh, there's a lot of fish. Ah! We're here, going to the birthday.
Ah, dito ang balay nila Jovi. Hindi man lang.
So, dito na to the banana.
Dito lang kinanap.
Dito gaganapin. Doon na iba hindi yung bahay niya.
Ah, hindi ba dito ang bahay niya?
Hindi. Dito daw gaganapin. Where's the birthday?
Sa birthday? Dito?
So we're here. Oh, dagunag.
Tinatawaran ako, oh.
Oh, bye-bye, Tony.
Atulotan. Thank you, Tony.
Mamaya. Pasundo tayo?
Hindi na. Aba, sino to ang sasakyan namin pala?
Ah,